Hello students, our chapter is Adaptation in Plants and Animals. Now we are going to learn about plants in plains. See, in the plains area, the trees grow tall and also thick, and usually it have broad leaves. Some trees that grow in plains are peepal, shisham, banyan and mango trees. Adaptations of the peepal tree. See, the peepal tree has a thick trunk with broad leaves. See, you can see the picture given. The leaves of a peepal tree. See, the leaves are very broad. So, the peepal tree drops most of its leaves during the dry season. Why it drops the leaves? To preserve water. And also, the peepal tree has large roots which helps it to absorb water from the ground. Not only the peepal tree, but also the other plants in plains, for example, banyan, mango or shisham tree, these also have large deep roots which help it to absorb water from the ground. Plants in polar regions. The soil in polar regions remain frozen throughout the year. So due to this frozen condition, the plants that grow here are generally short. Example is Arctic poppy plant. Now we are going to learn some adaptations of the Arctic poppy plant. This Arctic poppy plant is short in height and it remains close to the ground to avoid being damaged from the fast blowing Arctic winds. See, in the polar regions, usually the fast blowing winds, the plant has to protect themselves from the fast blowing winds. That's why the plant is short in height and also it remains close to the ground to protect it from the fast blowing winds. And the Arctic poppy plant has cup shaped petals to trap maximum heat of the sun to keep them warm. This Arctic poppy rapidly produces seeds in favorable weather conditions. Answer the following questions. Why do plants in plains have deep roots? Write the name of two trees that grow in plains. How do Arctic poppies adapted to the polar regions? Why do peepal tree shed off their leaves during dry season? Refer chapter 3, page number 37.